Alright, here's my thoughts on the news that we're getting a Supergirl Flash musical episode crossover event. I say it should be actually really good to tell you the truth because I've seen clips of them singing on YouTube here. No, I never watched Glee because I never really liked Glee because they copy songs and all that. But I did check out their videos when they were on Glee. And they were pretty good to me, so it should be very interesting how this musical goes. Who will be the bad guy? Will Cisco be singing? I don't know. Let's hope he's dancing more than singing, but it would be funny. He's a pretty good dancer, the guy who plays Cisco. For singing, dancing. So, should be interesting. We're looking forward to it. Like many other people, hey, we gotta have some fun sometime, have a good episode of musical Glee, or musical Flash, whatever it's called, so definitely look forward to it. What does everybody think? You looking forward to music episode, or you think it's kind of, just let me know. Bye for now. Have a good day, everybody. Should be interesting.